Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you how you can claim a free 50k funded account, and I want you to stay with me through the end of this process so you don't miss out on the step-by-step guide on how to get started with this particular account. Now, I dropped a video yesterday and I see that most of you have been able to claim it. Now, you see, after dropping the video, there are some updated information that I dropped right on this Telegram. This is the reason why I say that you should join my Telegram channel so you don't miss out where there is any new update or new information you need to know concerning any account. So please, when I drop video on YouTube, please do well to be checking the Telegram account frequently so you don't miss out on any new updates or information you need to know concerning the video that I drop on YouTube. Now, if you know this is your first time of you coming across this channel, or you've been watching videos from this channel, please do well to subscribe. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on Forex new deposit bonuses, free foreign account, profit account, capital to start trading, and how to make money online. Subscribing to the channel also gives you leverage to claim any account faster than people who have not subscribed on this channel. And also, when you subscribe to this channel, you get notified when I drop new videos right here. Now, to get started with this particular account, all you have to do is just click on the link that is in the description of this account. It will bring you right to my Telegram channel. Now, do not forget to join so you don't miss out on updates and information that you need to know concerning any video that I drop on YouTube. Now, after joining the channel, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the link that will take you right where you need to get started. Now, after clicking on the link, it will bring you right to this interface here showing on the screen. Now, this is where we'll be getting the account, and the first thing you want to do now is to sign up with this particular broker to get the account. So you are going to click on the menu button right here, then go ahead and click on login. Now, since this is our first time with this particular broker, the next thing we want to do is to create a new account. We have to create a new account. Now, what you are going to do is to click on create one right here. You click on create one right here. As you can see, so this is what you need to do. You need to put in your first name, last name, your email address, and your password. Then you click on sign up. Do not forget to verify that you are human. So this is me after I've created an account. As you can see, registration successful. Now this is what your dashboard looks like. So now let's go ahead to getting this particular account. The next thing you're going to do is to click on the menu button here. Click on the menu option right here. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on Goat Points. You click on Goat Points. That is where we are going to be getting our account. Now you click on Goat Points. I know some of you are already thinking that you have to claim points to get this particular account. Yes, you have to claim points to get this particular account. And most of you are not really happy with these kinds of accounts. But then there are points that you can easily get. There are points that you can easily claim. And for now, these are the kind of accounts that are available. When I have updates on getting accounts that don't require points, I'll be dropping it on my YouTube. That's why I said you should subscribe so you don't miss out when I drop accounts that don't require you claiming points. But for now, this is what we're still going to claim. This is what we have right here. So now the next thing you're going to do after clicking on Goat Point is to click on rewards. As you can see right here, you click on rewards. That's where we'll be getting our accounts. So now showing on the screen are the various accounts that they have right here. Now this is the first account that they have available. As you can see, 5k instant account. Now to get this particular account, you have to have 1,250 points to get this particular account, and this particular account is available to January 1 of next year. Now the next account is this 10k instant account. As you can see right here, the 10k instant account. Now to get this particular account, you need a total of 1,700 points, and it's valid and available till 1st of January. Now onto the next account. As you can see right showing on the screen, you have the 25k instant account. Now to get this 25k instant account, you need a total of 2,500 points. As you can see right showing on the screen. Now the next one is the 50k instant account. As you can see right showing on the screen. Now the point to claim this is 2,950 points. Then you scroll down, you continue to scroll, as you can see right here. So these are the accounts that you have to claim. This is the 50k instant account that you need right here, as you can see right showing on the screen. So how do you claim points on this platform? The next thing you want to do is to click on tasks right here. Going to click on tasks. Now these are the tasks that you need to go. The first thing is to share your certificates. As you can see right here, you'll be getting 80 points. The next task you need to do right here is vote good funded and futures as your favorite futures, as you can see right here. Then you have 90 points. Then right here, profile match. These are the tasks that you need to complete right here. As you can see, instant funding on MT5, spread the word on Twitter. Then you have a total of 120 points. Now these are tasks with higher points, as you can see right showing on the screen. These are tasks with higher points. Now once you complete a particular task, all you have to do is just come back here and click on complete tasks. You come back here and click on complete tasks right showing on the screen, as you can see. So once you click on complete tasks, your point will be accumulating. Down to the point where you've gotten the exact point you need to claim your account. Now this is exactly what you need to know concerning this particular account. This is everything you need to know. Now before I go, I would like to show you something right here. They have a competition going on. All you have to do is just click on the menu button, scroll down and click on competitions right here. Click on competitions and you have the ongoing competition right showing on the screen. As you can see right here, this competition ends in 4 days. It ends in 4 days, and this is the particular competition that is going on. As you can see, they have 4,564 participants already, and the entry is free. As you can see, the entry is free. Now you can just go ahead and click on view tournament. As you can see, these are the various competition right going on. All you have to just click on view tournament, then you can go ahead and get started with this competition. Now to check the leaderboard, all you have to do is just click on the menu button again. Click on the menu button and click on leaderboard right here. Click on leaderboard and you have this right showing on the screen. Now this right here will show the data of your trading activities right here. Now how do you get payout on this particular platform? How do you get payout? All you have to do is just click on GFT payout in the menu option. Click on GFT payout and right here, this is what you need to know concerning this particular payout. As you can see right showing on the screen, this is the payout dashboard. See, as you can see, scroll down. These are the payouts that they already have on this particular platform. Now to make withdrawal on this platform, as you can see, it's still locked. All you have to do is just click on withdrawal right in the menu button here. Then you can go ahead and request for your payouts. Click on the withdrawal on the menu button, come here and request for your payouts. This is how you request for payouts right on this platform. Now these are the terms and conditions. This is the payout guidelines. These are the things you need to know concerning this when you want to request for your payout. The first is GFT reviews and process all your payout requests. As you can see, if you miss 2 business day payouts commitment, you receive an additional If we miss our 2 business day payout commitment, you receive an additional $1,000 with your payout. As you can see right here, you can click on see full terms and condition for further updates, and also your KYC invitation is sent after your payout request. As you can see right here, after you send your first payout request, they'll be sending you a KYC invitation. This is basically all you need to know concerning this particular account and particular platform. Now, for more details and information, I'll be dropping it in my Telegram channel. Do not forget to join so you don't miss out. Whatever information you need to know concerning any videos that I drop on YouTube, you'll be getting it on my Telegram channel. Do not forget to like, share, comment, most importantly, subscribe. It is very important that you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on videos that I drop on how to get capital to start trading. And also you get notified when I drop new videos right here on YouTube so you don't miss out. See you in my next video. Bye.